This ain't working. It ain't working. What's up, y'all? So today we're gonna do a wig installation. I look like complete shit right now, so just bear with me. This is the box that the wig came in. I took it out and realized I wasn't recording like I thought, but it came in here. This is the style. Don't know how I feel about that. I just want to do some work on myself because I've been feeling the depression coming in, and we don't want to stay in that depression. So we gonna make ourselves look like something. I don't have a lot of the products that I need, which is like a wig cap or a hot comb, because I just moved in my place, and then that's a whole other story, but we gonna work on what we got. This is in the color ombre burgundy in 118. So on the bottom it's like completely red, and then on the top it's like highlighted. So I'm gonna take it out the pack. Take this little cafeteria lady knit off. I've been looking in a new direction. That's how I feel. This shit is crazy, y'all. What's love got to do? I think I can do it glueless because this is little head friendly, little pea head friendly. It really is. It is. Cut this lace real quick. Alright, y'all. So I got one side of the damn lace cut. So since that side is cut, we're gonna put the clip over here. Alright, y'all, let me, cause I gotta get up close and personal. But y'all saw it, y'all. So I done got the lace cut to my desired cut, but I'm not feeling this wig, y'all. I'm really just not feeling it. Like I look like a damn soccer mom, like a damn and it's synthetic, like I told y'all, and it's T-port, so I can't even, because I mean, I thought about straightening it and doing that whole 90s thing where it has like a part, but I can't do it. And I wonder if see, so I have to wear it centered, and I just let's try to customize this wig, guys. It's hurting. Bitch, I know like my name Nancy. Like this is just not working for me. Get it something else, cause this ain't working. It ain't working. Okay. Yeah, so we about to straighten this thing. I don't want to cut no more of the bangs until I get it straightened. And I don't want to, you know, make no permanent decisions. That's why I haven't glued it down or nothing like that. Because if I don't like it, this thing getting ripped right off my head. You hear me? So we're going to start to straighten it. And when it says that, because you want to use water, I am going to cut it on the lowest setting, even though it said it can straightened. This what it look like straightened. It's okay, but I want more. So we're about to shape it more to my face. I kind of want to see what them vibes like. Cut downward like that. She getting a little sexy, y'all. Okay. She getting a little sexy. Yes. So we are all finished. I like it. I brushed the curls out. I like the whole short curtain bang thing. That's really cute. I cut the layers in it. I cut the bang to fit my face. I used my normal face powder to do that, and I'm wearing it glueless because this is just like a placeholder wig. You can wear glueless. It is tight on my head. I have a little head, so it's very tight. So I expect this wig to last at least a week. I really do like it. It came out really cute. It scared me at first. And the texture, y'all, it says it has the texture of like if a black person had a relaxer. It ain't like real silky, and it's not like where you can make it lay real thin, which I don't mind because that's the type of hair that I like to look like it's growing out of my scalp. I mean, if I'm wearing it, I want it to look natural, so it does look like our hair. So I like this whole short curtain bang, Farrah Fawcett type of look. It's real cute. Because I did not like the way this wig came, but I'm gonna look and see if I can find this wig online, and if I can, because I did get this from a beauty supply store. This was normally like $50. It was like a black-owned beauty supply store that we have here where I live. But it was on sale for like $10. And so I just got it because I like the color. But I think I freaked this week. I did it. I like it. I really do. So yeah, y'all will see me tomorrow. When I post this, I'm going to post a picture of me made up with it on and everything, because right now it still looks like a rag doll. But yeah. I love how she came out, girl. She is